Hey YouTube, so I want to go ahead and unbox the Traxxas TRX-4M, I think it's a 24 scale RC car. So actually on vacation, I'm up in the Poconos, so just going to do a quick unboxing video, show you guys what we have here. Hopefully I can get to do some videos up in the mornings, and I'll be able to post those shortly. But for now, let's unbox it. There we go. And this is what we have here, TRX-4M by Traxxas. New mini crawler. So you guys may know, haven't done a video in a while, so I'm trying to get back into the hobby. Won't do a whole lot of it, but just a little bit. So let's see what we have right here. TRX-4M. So I'm right at the back of my SUV, so bear with me. So you have the remote control, TQ remote. And there's a little fella right here. Tiny little fellow. It's a 2-cell LiPo battery. And you will need 4 AA batteries, so I didn't walk with any batteries, so gotta get some of those. And that's it. So yeah, with YouTube. So when I first took out this TRX-4M, I thought it was a little small, light, kind of like the SEX 24 scale SEX. I forgot the name, kind of rusty. But this is actually a 18 scale crawler. That's pretty good in the trail, as you can see in the video. Quite impressed with the build. Solid build, easy to remove. 2 little clips. Just hit the 2 clips so you can remove it. These are the batteries. Of course, I gotta put my little touch to it. So basically what I'll do next, of course, probably change these tires, put some heavier wheels on there. Try to get an interior for it. I'm not sure an interior is available for it, but I'll try and do that as well. And probably get the defender as well. But I'm quite impressed with this little fella right here, 1/18 scale Traxxas TRX-4M. I always know Traxxas make very good products, but you would think something this small would not be as capable, but this little fella is very capable. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys subscribe to the channel. Hit a like to keep the channel going. Thanks a lot.